So there is another scenario where alluvial deposits may become hydrocarbon rich. Again, this is just throwing out some ideas out there, right? So in this case, let's supposing you have, you have a cliff, right, just beside an open marine, right, an open ocean. When that happens, in this scenario, there is minimal travel distance from the source, right, which would be the host uphill structure here, to the sink, which will be in the basal portion, right, where you expect whatever it's coming from uphill to find itself deposited. So in this instance, close to the base of this cliff, right, of this structure, you could have deposits that you could say this will be our own version of alluvial, just at that bottom, or maybe not that much. There's something around this area, right? Now, with any little, change in the balance in this uphill area, maybe leveraging on existing faults, right, or fractures, or maybe you have some unstable slope. You may have some, zones along which things may become unstable and movement may occur, right? So you could have a huge portion of this get dislodged, which will further increase the chances of this alluvial, basal, or rather this slope, this deposit is slope at the base of the slope of this steep slope feature. The chance of finding their way all the way down, through, of course, through the right here, right? They could find a way all the way down. And by some stroke of luck, this may happen, and then you have this, originally immature, close to source materials, right, that were just right here at point A, right? By some stroke of chance, things may become replaced or relocated to this location B, like as highlighted here, landslides, mini quakes, tsunamis, anything. Maybe you have a construction up deep area, or you have a tsunami, something that happens and kind of causes some vibration, it hits this wall, and the unstable portion of this whole this very steep portion of it, things might get dislodged. What that means is that both this content B, the content C, for example, this content C and original content, call it content D right here, they both find themselves relocated to that deeper portion, just rolling on, just by one activity, everything finds its way down to the deeper section. And when that happens, there's now a better chance of being overlain by some marine mud, right, which in a case where that is a silly material, buries this buries this originally immature reservoir quality material, poorly sorted, with lots of angular grains, potentially with clasts, because they haven't traveled a long distance, of course, right? They may now become reservoir rocks that by some stroke of chance or luck, hydrocarbon will find itself in there. And what was originally not looking like it could get hydrocarbon in it, because of the new placements, will become a reservoir rock, though poor quality, but then you can find hydrocarbon in it by this scenario. So this is no longer dependent on sea level fall or rise, but just local tectonic activity, creating some disturbance and relocating what was just at the base of that cliff, right? The toe of that cliff, relocating it all the way down to deeper locations where you could now have muddy rocks or shale rocks, plastics sitting on top of them, sealing that small buried original alluvial deposits, now making it a potential hydrocarbon rich reservoir rock.